Welcome 4th standard. I hope all have written the examination well. Now after the examination we are going to continue with the second term. So second term, this is the first lesson, that is Dorothy's adventure. Now what is adventure? Adventure means a journey where you meet new things and all that you did not come across. That's what adventure. So Dorothy's adventure. Now in this lesson, when you open the text, so always while taking English you have to open the text and keep in front of you. Now there are few books here, story books. Harry Potter, The Hobbit, The Adventure of Tintin, then Diary of a Nimpy Kid. These are the stories that all children loves to read, this all the story. Now, and Charlotte's Web. Have you all read any of these books, children? Huh? Did you all read any of these books? So what do you think this book could be about? Discuss with your partner. If you all have read these books, you all can discuss with your partner, they are telling. And you tick which book you have read. Now we'll come to the lesson, that is section 1. Now in this picture you can see Dorothy, that girl, and the scarecrow. Now what is scarecrow? Now here scarecrow, a human-like object set up to scare birds away from fields. This നോക്കുകുത്തി എന്ന് പറയും. നമ്മൾ ഈ വയലിലൊക്കെ പിന്നെ കാക്കകളും ഇതൊക്കെ വരാൻ വേണ്ടി അങ്ങനെ വെക്കും അത്. So that's called scarecrow. കണ്ടോ, a human-like object set, അതായത് ഒരു ഹ്യൂമൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ വൈക്കോലൊക്കെ നിറച്ചിട്ട് സ്ട്രോ ഒക്കെ നിറച്ചിട്ട് ഒരു സാധനം ഇങ്ങനെ നിൽക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ, set up to scare birds away from fields. അപ്പോൾ you can see the scarecrow, Dorothy and Tom, the dog also, Dorothy's dog. Now this story is taken from the book The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. ആ ബുക്കിൻ്റെ പേര് The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. അതിൻ്റെ അകത്തുനിന്ന് ഒരു ചെറിയ ഒരു സ്റ്റോറിയാണ് എടുത്തത്. A young girl named Dorothy is on her way to Emerald City to meet the Wizard of Oz. അപ്പോൾ ഈ സ്റ്റോറിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് പറയുന്നത് ഡോറത്തി എമറാൾഡ് സിറ്റിയിലേക്ക് പോവുകയാണ്. എന്തിന്? അവിടെ ഒരു വിസേർഡ് ഉണ്ട്, ഓഫ് ഓസ്, വിസേർഡിനെ കാണാൻ. വിസേർഡ് മീൻസ് ഹൂ ഡസ് ദ മാജിക് ഒക്കെ, ഒരു ചില മാജിക് ഒക്കെ ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരാൾ, വിസേർഡ് ഓഫ് ഓസ്. Now we'll read about a journey to the Emerald City. ആ എമറാൾഡ് സിറ്റിക്കുള്ള ജേർണിയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പോൾ വായിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. Now we'll begin with that section 1. After a few hours, the road became rough and the walking grew difficult. Now what is that they are telling? Dorothy, the scarecrow and the dog was on a journey through that road, and they are telling a few hours the road became rough. Road became rough means after kundum kuzhiyukundenge the road is rough and the walking grew difficult. If the road is rough, your walking also will be very difficult. The scarecrow often stumbled. So stumbled means tadanju veeya, stumbled to go on to something and fall down, stumbled over the bricks. So there are bricks and all here, there, and this puddle here, there, and the road is uneven. Uneven means a level illa. Sometimes they were broken or missing altogether, leaving holes. Holes are not even alla, uneven means nerpalla. So that's why the road is a little difficult, and the walking also grew difficult. Tutu, that's dog's name, jumped across them. So Tutu is a dog. When it see any brick or any hole and all, it jumped over that, across them. And Dorothy, what did Dorothy? Walked around them, leaving holes. As the scarecrow had no brain, so scarecrow don't have brains, Dorothy have brain, and the Tutu also have brain. They are living things, but the scarecrow means it's a non-living thing, it don't have brain. So as the scarecrow had no brains, he walked straight ahead, like the robot നടക്കുന്ന മാതിരി straight that scarecrow walked and stepped into the hole. അതിന് അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും മാറാനൊന്നും അതിനറിയില്ല, no brain. So it stepped into the hole and fell hard. It never hurt him. It never hurt means it don't have flesh and bone and all. And Dorothy picked him up and set him upon his feet again. At noon, they sat down by the roadside near a little brook. Now here, brook means a small stream. Aruvi. That's what brook. And Dorothy opened, so they sat near a little brook by the roadside and opened her basket. She brought something to eat and got out some bread. She offered a piece to the scarecrow. So while she was about to eat, she gave a small piece. She showed a small piece to the scarecrow. But he refused. Refused. I am never hungry. So what is the scarecrow telling? I am never hungry, he said. And it is a lucky thing. It's a lucky thing. So scarecrow means it don't have life. So it don't have stomach and all, isn't it? So it is not hungry and it's lucky. My mouth is only painted. Mouth painted. If I cut a hole into it, the straw I am stuffed with will come out. That will come out. The straw I am stuffed will come out. That will spoil the shape of my head. Appa straw porthekku vannal head inde shape maarum. That's what here Scarecrow is telling. Now turn the page. Now Dorothy saw that this was true. So she nodded. Why she nodded? She showed a piece of bread. So what is the Scarecrow telling? I am not hungry, I won't feel, and it's a lucky thing. So Dorothy nodded and went on eating her bread. So she went on eating her bread. When she had finished her lunch, that was lunch. That is noon meal. That's called lunch. The Scarecrow said, tell me something about yourself and the country you come from. So after finishing her lunch, what the Scarecrow said? Tell me something about yourself and the country you come from. So Scarecrow is asking about Dorothy. Where did Dorothy come from? And tell about Dorothy. That's what the Scarecrow is asking. So she told him, Dorothy told the Scarecrow about Kansas and how a cyclone had carried her to the strange land of Oz. Now what is Kansas? Kansas is a native place. Native place is Kansas. For example, where is our native place? Calicut, isn't it? Our native place is Calicut. We are living in Calicut. So where is Dorothy's native place? Kansas. So she told about Kansas and how a cyclone had carried a cyclone. So cyclone. Now today's news and all you heard about cyclone. A cyclone was formed over the Bay of Bengal and it hit Tamil Nadu. The state of Tamil Nadu. That cyclone, what is that? So that's what a cyclone. Cyclone means strong storm. Bayangara Shaktiyaya Kodingattu. That's called cyclone. Had carried her to the strange land of Oz. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ക്യാൻവാസിൽ നിന്ന് സ്ട്രേഞ്ച് ലാൻഡ് ഓഫ് ഓസിലേക്ക് പോയി. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് സൈക്ലോൺ ഇൻ കാൻസാസ്? So she told all this to the Scarecrow. The Scarecrow listened carefully and said, I cannot understand why you should wish to leave this beautiful country and go back to the place you call Kansas. Kanda? അപ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് that is the land of Oz. Oz എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നല്ല ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ പ്ലേസ് ആണ്. അപ്പം Scarecrow is telling why you are leaving this beautiful place and going to Kansas, place you call Kansas. അവിടെ സൈക്ലോൺ ഒക്കെ വന്നതല്ലേ. Why you are going? That is because you have no brains. So Dorothy is telling the Scarecrow, you have no brains. അതാണ് നിനക്ക് ചിന്തിക്കാൻ പറ്റാത്തത്. Answered the girl, no place can ever be as beautiful as home. Kansas is my home. കണ്ടോ, എല്ലാവരുടെ ഹോമും ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആണ്, isn't it? Everybody loves their native place. നമ്മൾ ജനിച്ച സ്ഥലം എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടും, അതെല്ലാവർക്കും അത് ഫേവറേറ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. ദാറ്റ്സ് വൈ കാൻസാസ് ഈസ് ഡോറത്തീസ് നേറ്റീവ് പ്ലേസ്. അതാണ് കാൻസാസിനെ ഡോറത്തിക്ക് അത്രക്കും ഇഷ്ടം. നോ പ്ലേസ് ക്യാൻ എവർ ബി ആസ് ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ആസ് ഹോം. കാൻസാസ് ഇസ് മൈ ഹോം. So the scarecrow sighed. Sighed means nadivirpida, sighed. By evening, they came to a great forest where the trees grew so big and close together that their branches met over the road. Kanda road കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. Branches met over the road. Forest means, you know, the trees grow very close to each other. It was almost dark. Day ആണെങ്കിലും it is dark because of the branches of the trees. The sunlight cannot enter inside. So it was almost dark under the trees, for the branches shut out the daylight. Shut out means daylight ne kaduthunnilla. The travelers did not stop. Who were the travelers? Dorothy, Scarecrow and Tutu, the dog, and went into the forest. So these three went into the forest. If this road goes in, it must come out. Once the road enters the forest, adine matte attam porthekku undavu. That's what, come out, said the Scarecrow. And as the Emerald City is at the other end of the road, we must go wherever it takes us. That's what, this much. So children, this much, up to this much I am taking in this video. So you all read up to here, read very well, twice and thrice you all read. All this you can pronounce: scarecrow, stumbled, brook, cyclone. You understand? Difficult words and all, you have to learn the spelling and write it in your rough book at least 5 times, so that you will be learning that. Okay children, thank you.